What's going on, people? Welcome back. Oh, just started them and get a Lambo Urus. Nice. Welcome back. This is a quick ride too. Ooh, where we going? Let's go through. Let them know we're here. Yeah, I'm sure they know we're here. Yeah, we're going to a bike shed. Meet a couple friends. Go for a little ride. I just changed my tyre, which I'll show you guys in a minute. The new compound, latest. So I'm taking it very, very easy. But yeah, gonna hit bike shed, meet them friends. Guys, I've been dropping tons of videos recently. Because I'm so behind by a couple months, right, I'm gonna drop this in between. So if the dates or stuff seems a bit confused, then no stress. Yeah, you didn't want to mess up. Right, okay. Looking at me like that, like I'm a snack. Yeah, you wouldn't want to mess that pretty self of yours up, would you? Damn. Anyway, where was I? Before I was really disturbed, and that very pretty girl decided she almost wanted to take herself out. Thank goodness she didn't. Yeah, we're going to bike shed. Anyway, yeah, gonna get a little bite to eat, go for a ride, go for a little blast. I'll include what I can in this video for you guys. Whatever's a little bit too much, you know, we can't include per se. So yeah, that's the plan. We are in Shoreditch. Oh wait, I think I want to do this left actually. Yes it is, indeed. All good?
If you go up to my friend,
yep,
we might have to double park you.
No worries, man. Whatever you need, all good. All right, cheers, man. Damn, there's a lot of bikes in here today, jeez. Woo! That Ducati is gorgeous. Oi, look at that. Right. Oh, look who it is! How you doing, Bobby? Good?
Yeah, mate.
Oh man, yeah, no, not bad, man. Finally made it. Oh,
Yeah.
that tyre. You've locked in it?
Huh?
You've locked in good and proper.
Yeah, I've got it. I'll have to get there, mate.
Yeah.
Got a new tyre now. Oh, yeah.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Right, let's roll. are riding. We are riding. I hope the wind noise isn't too bad for you guys. Oh shit. Whatever. Ah, fuck no. I saw your plate hanging off.
The fucking bolts come out, innit?
Yeah. Right.
That's loose as well.
That's gone loose.
I'll take it off, innit?
Yeah. Gonna have to.
I'll just tell them, look, if fucking...
I've got some double-sided tape in there. When we stop, we'll stick it all
When
on.
we start, we'll stick it on.
Yeah.
Funny
I was like, what the hell is that? I thought, no, we gotta stop.
Yeah.
We don't want to lose it either.
Well, that's what I mean. Funny, that's from...
But that's, oh, why is that?
There's a tiny little bolt that holds that in.
Yeah.
So the bolt must have come out inside.
Must have.
Don't matter.
Right, let's get down there safely and then let's sort that out. Definitely.
Yeah, that bolt's come off the back.
Yeah.
Stick it off.
Right, cool.
Good spot, mate.
Yeah, man, it's gotta be safe, innit?
I can definitely speed now.
Oh yeah! Yeah, let's bomb it! Madness. So I saw that plate about loose, I was like, wait a minute, that doesn't look right, it should be hanging like that. So yeah, luckily we spotted that. But now it's got no plate. Perfect. The Acra sounds so good. So good. Jeez. It's when we hear both of them together at the same time, it sounds absolutely insane. Ah, this needs soon. I've got a nasty, crazy exhaust that I'm going to put on this. It's not. I'm going to end up putting two exhaust systems on this. One now, then there'll be another one I'm going to get later on. But yeah, what goes on now, you guys will see. It's going to be sick. So yeah. Imagine. That sounds crazy! Jeez! Wow, what the hell is... That took the long way. I don't know if it was the first or the second one, I forgot.
That page is down there. Whatever, that's that cafe thing.
Is that it? Because usually we come here. Is that where you usually go?
That's where I saw all those bikers that one.
Yeah, well, let's have a look. I don't mind. If you want, I'll follow you down there.
Have a look. And we'll stop there anyway and do my
Yeah, let's do the play. Yeah.
all that topic of that.
Yeah, I saw them going by and I was laughing. Oh my days. Right, let's get that on. Yeah, this is usually the second spot. It's not that busy today, is it?
No, it's quiet, man. Quiet everywhere.
Proper quiet. I don't know what's going on.
Just reckon people thought the weather was going to be...
Yeah, probably. Last time I did this, right, I put it down and it sunk into... Yeah, that's why I put it down so slow.
You got to make sure you get it on.
Yeah. Don't want this thing dropping at all. That best stay like that.
That lens is sick and it does that.
That looks so good though.
It changes colour, because at night then you're just fine.
That is sick. Right, let's sort this out.
Yeah, you got to pay.
So this is what happened. We end up bringing 2 Ducatis and then we end up with 3 Ducatis. So we've got my V4S, got the lovely Streetfighter V4 with a crazy Acra, and then we've got a V2 which actually looks bloody gorgeous. Look at all the carbon.
I mean, I've got one box.